It's official. Oliver North will never face trial on the two main criminal conspiracy, cover-up, and corruption charges against him in the Weapons for Iran, What Happened to the Money case. Reason? Reagan-Bush administration refusal to supply certain documents needed for the trial. CBS News law correspondent Rita Braver has more on what happened and what might happen next.
The central conspiracy charges against former National Security Council aide Oliver North were formally dropped today. Judge Gerhard Gesell ruling that with the intelligence agencies and the Attorney General refusing to make public key classified information, the court feels it has neither discretion nor legal authority to do anything other than dismiss. North must still face other charges, including obstruction of Congress, and his lawyers and the independent counsel immediately began arguing over his desire to use classified documents in his defense on those counts. Also still an issue, North's subpoenas of President Reagan and President-elect George Bush to testify at trial. Today, the Justice Department moved to quash those subpoenas, saying compelled testimony elicited through direct and cross-examination threatens the dignity and stature of the president. The department argued that during oral testimony, the president risks unwise disclosures that might have adverse effects on the nation's foreign relations.
The prospect of a defendant who was concerned only with saving his own neck, cross-examining left and right on areas that touch on national security is not one that anybody would be happy with, and it's a prospect you can avoid if you submit written questions to the president.
The administration is also expected to fight subpoenas of Secretary of State George Shultz and other top officials. North and his attorneys are expected to fight right back. Rita Braver, CBS News, Washington.
And still to come on the Friday night CBS Evening News, correspondent Betsy Aaron on the new murder capital of the country and why, and Frank Courier on why trumpeter swans are dying from shots fired decades ago.